Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about WhatsApp features everyone should know. So for example here, if I go to settings and on settings, I go to chats, you can see on chats, there are a new feature called voice message transcript. You can see like this. If I want to turn it on, you can see it'll see like this. Now we need to choose a language, right? Because when we're transcribing something, of course, it'll have to be picking a language. So of course, I'm just going to pick English. And you can see I can just click on setup now. And now we'll have to wait for it to download. But you can see when it's done downloading. So you can see here, if I'm in a group and I have a voice note, you can see if I tap on one of these and I hold it and I go to the top bar up here, I can click on transcribe. So now, instead of listening to the transcription, I could just read it like this, right? So if I go to this one and I try to transcribe it, let's see what it comes out of. See, great stuff. Amazing. Another great feature is in video note. So you see, if I go to video note here, you can see that there's this button right here, and there's actually a lot of filters we can use, like light leak, dreamy, prism light, fisheye, vintage TV, frosted glass, and there's even effects that we could do, like in Snapchat, right? So like these. There's also filters if you'd like. There's also backgrounds that could make it blur, give it a living room, an office, and all of these cool vibes. Now the last and final one is called lists. So you can see up top here, if I click on this plus button here, I can add lists. So for example, if I want to organize my list to friends and work, and I just type in work and then I could add in people into my list. So it'll be more organized. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.